All right, so the first thing you need to do is to come to your Google account. You just Google on your browser, type Google, and then you can come all the way here and just type OpenAI. Okay, so you can see over here, OpenAI is an artificial intelligence research and development company. Our mission is to ensure that artificial general intelligence benefits all humanity. That's a very good one. So OpenAI is the one that houses ChatGPT that we are going to talk about, and other APIs, which is application programming interface. You can see different versions, and there are different products under this OpenAI. So OpenAI is the company that houses it in the United States. So to start with, just you can open here, or you can just go to openai.com, and it is going to bring you to this platform. So this is the main platform of OpenAI, and like I said, ChatGPT falls under API. So you can just come all the way to API over here, just click on API, and you're brought into this platform where you have access to the different features, different products that API developed in terms of artificial intelligence. There are a lot of different explanations, but for you to try ChatGPT, you can just go ahead, come to the top over here and just click on try, and you'll be prompted to this very platform. Welcome to ChatGPT. Log in with your OpenAI account, or you can sign up to continue. So let's say we are signing up. We're going to sign up to continue. So click on sign up, and you'll be brought to this very platform where you can sign up with your email address and password, or if you have a Google email account open, you can also use your Google account directly to just log in. Or if you have a Microsoft account, you can go ahead and log in with Microsoft. But for today, for this tutorial, I'm going to log in with one of my Gmail accounts, Big Digital Academy. So you just click on continue, and then you have to provide a password. And you can see the description of the password, at least 8 characters. So you can just click on continue to move to the next step. So you're going to be prompted that you have been sent a verification email. This is just a procedure just to make sure they get your email correctly. So they want you to verify yourself. So you can click to open Gmail, and then you can go ahead and verify your own email address. All right, so you can see the email over here, OpenAI. So you just click on open, and then you can go ahead and verify your email. So clicking on this will verify your email, and you'll be brought in also to this very platform. And this is where the OpenAI will get to know you a little bit better. So by providing some key details that can help them to organize the platform for you. So the first one is you give your name. For example, I put my name, click on continue, and then you provide your phone number. It will automatically detect your country. So you just give in your phone number +234. You just write your phone number as it is. Try to give the right phone number, because you will be sent a code just to verify your phone number. So there's a code that is being sent to your phone. Okay, so once you verify the phone number, you will be brought into this very platform. This is a free research preview. This ChatGPT is a complete research preview. The goal is to get external feedback at this moment in order to improve our system and make them safer, because there's quite a lot going on in this artificial intelligence website. The goal is to make it safer. So while we have safeguards in place, you have to take note that the system might occasionally generate incorrect or misleading information and produce offensive or biased content. So it's not intended to give any advice. So take note of this. This is very, very important before you start using ChatGPT. Get to know all these little previews. So you can go to the next, and you can see how we collect data. So conversations may be reviewed by our AI trainers to improve our system. So whatever you do, please don't share any sensitive information in your conversations, something like passwords or any kind of account details. Don't share information with this artificial intelligence website. So just take note of this. And then we love to hear your feedback. There are a series of ways they hear feedback from people. This system is optimized for dialogue. Okay, so let us know if you have any peculiar response, whether the response was good or was unhelpful. You can let them know, because this is at the research stage, so they can help to improve the system.